Hi, I'm Carrie. Welcome to our Maintenance and Operations building. Come with me to see behind the scenes on how we take care of our facilities. Let's go. Welcome to our carpentry shop. This is where we repair things from furniture to cabinets to even mascots.
Here in the maintenance department for the carpentry unit, we work on a bunch of different aspects of the building, from flooring, ceiling, walls. Here we have some new countertops that we're doing, and if you're lucky enough, you even get to help retire an old school sign. Make sure to head over to Romig Middle School to check out the new one that just got installed.
Welcome to Vehicle Maintenance, where we take care of all of our white fleet equipment, over 200 pieces of light duty and heavy duty equipment. We also take care of our snow blowers, our tractors, and our lawnmowers, even our weed whackers. Welcome to our key shop. This is where security starts, and we make keys for over 100 buildings. Here at ASD Maintenance, we take care of over 7.8 million square feet of real estate. We have 15 crafts that consist of 125 maintenance technicians and 12 support staff. Each year we complete over 30,000 work requests.